Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Donis, you got to give her 5 seconds.
5.
Once you start the film, Donis, once you start the film, count to 5.
I already did.
It's filming now? Okay, thank you. Go.
So I just finished taking the professional seminar course with Jerry Hesch, and I feel much more comfortable evaluating and treating the pelvis and the SI joint. And I feel that he helped simplify things and use like simple, straightforward terminology, which was very helpful, and the whole approach makes a lot of sense. It's kind of like using common sense. And I'm definitely going to take it back to the clinic and apply it on Monday. And the class itself was paced really well, and it was enjoyable, and there was a lot of hands-on practice, which was great, and it was a great class, and I would recommend it to others.
Thank you very much.